Looking for the ultimate home? Then make sure to take a look at 1604 Drummond Blvd. Located in the Ryen Glenn subdivision in Belgrade, Montana. This is a beautiful 4-bedroom 2-bath house with over 1,800 square feet. Step into the bright, open living room, vaulted ceilings, beautiful natural light, and a cozy gas fireplace with a tiled mantle set the tone. The kitchen features granite countertops, stylish lighting fixtures, and flows seamlessly into the living and dining areas. 3 spacious bedrooms with plush carpet offer flexibility for guests, home office, or hobbies, and both bathrooms feature dual sinks with granite finishes. The primary suite is set apart with its own vaulted ceiling, huge walk-in closet, and a tiled ensuite bathroom for a private retreat. Ryen Glenn is a peaceful neighborhood with nearby parks and walking paths and just minutes from the Bozeman airport and Belgrade conveniences. This move-in ready home offers everyday comfort and practical living with beautiful Bridger views as your backdrop. And as an extra bonus, the home comes fully equipped with solar panels.